Greetings, Barcelona, in the name of Jesus Christ. Thank you so much for taking your time, sharing this time with you. I'm still waiting for a guest. He's stuck. I believe he's stuck somewhere, so I'll keep on checking my phone just to confirm ukuthi usekuphi. Yangingelela nonke Barcelona bam. This is an emphasis, a reminder. Barcelona mhla 28 June silaphana eThekwini umkhumbane hall abaze kangcono bathi it's in between Mayville no Chesterville. So mase Chesterville kuseduze, mase Mayville kuseduze. So mawusuke town okanye eThekwini I think awupheli u15 minutes uyakhona. Maybe if you are driving awupheli mhlawumbe 10 minutes cause indawo nje ne transport ebusy. So bazalwane ngikhona la ukuzoni unxusa futhi bazalwane egameni lika Jesu umsebenzi lo kaNkuluNkulu. Ngiye ngenza isimemezelo lapha ngathi okuningi nokuningi I've managed to cover it ngokusizwa inkosi kusukela from kwivenue namanye ama logistics nje bazalwane. So ngizohlanganisa izandla lapha kunina ekuthenini ukuthi nilekelela bazalwane kusenezinto ezishodayo ezingaka khaveki but nje angeke ngilivaliso okanye ngishalazela usizo labazalwane abalethile ngaphambili abangilekelelayo. So izinto ezisele nje bazalwane, there are a few things ngingabala into efana namanzi, ukuthenga amanzi bazalwane bami kuzoba we want to hire extra chairs because iholo likamasipala amaholo amaningi amasipala ke anezitulo ezi-insufficient bazalwane. So musuke wenza i-event esikhathini esiningi uyayo outsource. So I'd like to outsource more chairs bazalwane. I'm told enye indawo eHarish isitulo laphana ibiza but isitulo sisodwa 5 rand. So I needed itulo ezi about 300. So 300 I think it makes 1.5 1.5. So kube lokho bazalwane. Okunye enye into sisayibambile nje kancane indaba ye tent for overflow. Into eyenzeka bazalwane, bazongikhumbula bazongifakazela bazalwane. I tried my level best to check with my team ukuchecka into yaseThekwini abazalwane ababe ngabane interest of this upcoming prayer. But I notified ukuthi abazalwane baseThekwini they were so quiet. So as a result we even tried to consider some smaller venue, but then I know because the main aim was to go to a stadium. Sawenza ama quotations wakhona sawathola kwaba khona ukuthi hey abazalwane baseThekwini ba quiet ayike nisingayenza, let's try ukuthola i-venue indoors at least then ukuthi singene indlekweni ezinkulu kanti it's only few abazalwane bebizona interest of this upcoming prayer eThekwini. No sazama ke bazalwane, sazama abazalwane bangaba athini like into yakhona nje bungazoyitshela ukuthi hayi no shothi indaba yomkhuleko waseThekwini mancane amathuba ukuthi ungaphumelela. But anyway we pushed ama engagements kwalazo bakhona late sesiqede ukubhuka. Ngikhumbula ukuthi I was referred to Umkhumbane Hall, which is one of the a bit bigger halls in Durban. So we tried sayikhokhela ke I think the price yakhona it was 200 and sakhumbuli, but it's 290 or 270 something, but minus 300 per hour. So we paid for the venue. After releasing the address kwala kabazolane around Durban, having an interest, contacting us, jalo njalo. Yabo. So manje I'm skeptical of ukugcwala kwabantu, but we trust in God. So into engizama ukuyiveza ke eyokuthi ngizama ukubeka into on pending efana netende le overflow. Yes, itende le overflow because bazange ngizochecka nothing checka i-WhatsApp la for this brother of mine was yes, is getting lost, I don't know, or stuck with traffic. So ngizama ukuthi ke ngikwazi ukuthi ngithole ke lelo tende lelo mhlambe lengakhona ukuthi lisilekelele, but nje okunye nokunye bazalwane bekuyilokho itulo, amanzi, itende lelo, ama guest wethu, you know, we have a guest esuka eMpumalanga kwaMhlanga, then uzoba umfundisi osuka eNewcastle. Yes, so izo lezi zinto bazalwane, and then bese kuba yes, another very important thing, indaba ye-sound. I-sound ke bazalwane, uNkulunkulu usenzele umusa, unomfowethu wathintwa inkosi ngendlela emangalisayo ekutheni ukuthi akwazi ukuthi asi-sponsor, maybe let me say that, a-sponsor i-sound system yakhe. So he's from Umtubatuba. He's from Umtubatuba. So ucela ukuthi simfakele idizili ukuze azokwazi usilethele sound, simfakele idizili and then simqashele i-trailer. So idizili bazana bami ngachecka nje ama-kilometer from Umtubatuba to Durban. I think it's about 2 to 3 hours drive. Yeah, if ungaphazama 2 to 3 hours drive, but I not think 3 hours because kusuka ngiyakhumbula ukusuka eMpangeni is 2 hours eDurban, but then ukusuka eMtubatuba it must be a little bit higher than that. So lokho nje bazalwane, I'm waiting for my guest. I think handle so imoto, so ningathuki bazalwane mangi qamuka nje hayi. Yes, so ilokho bazalwane, and then this white team band. So there's still more to cover. There's still more. I think I need about 6,000 as per our roughly calculations to cover all these things. So ngicela kakhulu bazalwane, if you can partner with us, 0788 417 844. Yes, 0788 417 844. Our account number is 12267259886. But I'll prefer if you can use also this one, bazalwane. You can use this one. But then the more cardless bazalwane do cardless transactions, you can use the very same number. Those who are using Capitec, you see, cardless, then usithumele ku WhatsApp do bazalwane. The account number it's one. No. Okay, no, it's fine, but let's stick to 122-6725-986. 122-6725-986. Okay, or nance to 129 555 2769 129 555 2769 bazalwane. Then the number 07888 417 844. Then bazalwane masiqeda futhi ke uNkulunkulu semsebenzini bazalwane ngendlela emangalisayo. Semsebenzini bazalwane uNkulunkulu ngendlela emangalisayo. And then when we are done with iTheko, and then we'll be preparing umhlangano waseKagiso. We'll be having bazalwane lapha eKagiso kusiyam call uNkulunkulu. We'll be having the open air. We call it a road show lapha eDurban. Durban having a road show. No. Angithandi Durban. Kagiso. I-address yakhona it's Kagiso Drive and Big Street ngase Lusham Street. Kuno manje mawuzi Lusham Street, Lusham Hostel. Manje ungathi uye Lusham Hostel mawufika Kagiso sizobe sikhona lapho ke. Kuno stop obusy nje lapha siyomemezela uJesu ma street waseKagiso. So memezela uJesu ma street waseKagiso bazalwane. So sizobe sikhona lapho 30 August. So partner with us bazalwane bam, partner with us kulo msebenzi kaNkulunkulu, partner with us sipushe livangeli the way silipusha ngakhona kingdom advancement. Partner with us bazalwane bam, we'll appreciate that egameni lika Jesu Kristu. And then when we are done with Kagiso, then after we'll be preparing October, our October Soweto. Yo, Nkulunkulu wami. I cannot wait. 25 October sizobe sinaye baba uBishop Pierre Chiliza, sizobe sinaye baba umfundisi uReverend Xaba, sibese siba naye ubaba uBishop uNE Buthelezi. Rev Xaba from Newcastle, Bishop Pierre Chiliza from KZN, and then Bishop NE Buthelezi from KZN. Yo, siyamba zalwane, uNkulunkulu siyamkholwa ngalo lasuku. Ngiyacela nje nabazalwane mhlawumbe abanama different stakeholders, come partner with us. Bring your branding laphana, zonke lezi zinto abazalwane abanama business. If you have banners, contact me. If you want to bring your banners, mhlawumbe kakhulukazi abazalwane, njengoba ngisho abazalwane abanama business, sobe sihlanganisa ngabazalwane. Yazi ukuthi even nangomhla ka-30 August kubazalwane abanama business, ngiyacela nabo bangithinte abafisayo ukuthi banga-advertiser. Inkonzo yethu, it will be streamed live kuwonke ama-social platforms, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. So if you have a business and umzalwane, please do come to us. Noma mhlambe if akhona ufika nalapha nakwivenue sithinte khona indlela esokwenza ngayo, mhlambe ukwazi ukuthi you bring your banners abe khona lapha nabazalwane. Into ezobe ngomhla ka-30 August nomhla ka-25 October. Mhla ka-30 August bazalwane will be also having a convoy ezobe ihamba around Kagiso, simemezela uJesu, having our banners, having our body. But it's all about Jesus. It's all about Jesus, bazalwane. It's all about Jesus. It's all about Jesus. It's all about Jesus. So it's time, bazalwane. Imvuselelo isifikile. The revival is around. The revival is at hand, bazalwane. Isifikile imvuselelo egameni lika Jesu Kristu. 28 June Durban, 30 August Kagiso, 25 October Soweto. I think the brother is I don't know if he's the one ongenza ungi WhatsApp bona kusiyena. Yes, so bazalwane bami, ngiyanicela Nkosi yami, ngiyacela silekeleleni Nkosi yami kulo msebenzi kaNkulunkulu esiwenzayo. I think nje bazalwane manje ukukhumbula I don't know if ngisho nilento but ke it's fine. I'll say it ngendlela nje right. Sokuyisikhathi khona inkosi isisiza ekuhlanganiseni ibandla. Sokuyisikhathi bazalwane from the year of 2017 if I'm not mistaken. Sakhumbula kahle, but I think from the year of 2017 inkosi isisiza nje ukuhlanganisela umzimba wayo. Isiza ukuhlanganisa umzimba kaKristu. Bazalwane, sengibona into eziningi. Sengibona into eziningi in my journey with Christ, in my journey in faith. Ehlukahlukene. This time around inkosi isisiza ngalo msebenzi we-podcasting uku-edify the church through socials. I think sesibe kwi-game for 3 years, if not 2 years, 2 to 3 years. Inkosi lokhu isithwele nje bantu besizakala. Ngibone inqwamba yabazalwane okanye ake ngithi abantu abasizakele through this channel. Fakazi wami uwe. Thousands and thousands of people, even overseas, inkosi ithintela bona through this channel. So uNkulunkulu siyambonga. Askis bazalwane, I think uye ubhuti my brother